this edition with a big breaking news now. Top cabinet ministers from different states have called MPs from their respective states at their residence for breakfast meeting. This before the election of the Lok Sabha Speaker today at 11 a.m. So top cabinet ministers from across the nation calling on their MPs from respective states for a quick meeting just ahead of the election of the Lok Sabha in Parliament today at 11 a.m. It is most likely that the discussions will be held on and over the motion that was passed to support Om Birla's candidacy for the Speaker's post in the 18th Lok Sabha. And in fact, joining us live on the story now are my colleagues Suesha, who's outside the Parliament, and Harsha, who's outside the TDP office. But before I go to them, let's tell you viewers, all eyes are on this crucial election for the Lok Sabha Speaker, one in about 5 decades. This after a failure of consensus between the NDA and the INDI for a consensus speaker in the 18th Lok Sabha. Of course, the opposition is resurgent and has decided to field K. Suresh against Om Birla, already a speaker. Let me just go across to Harsha.
Yes, Kriti, so right now joining me is the TDP Member of Parliament. So this is the breakfast meeting and the entire NDA is having a breakfast meeting at their respective camps. Right now the TDP meeting is going to take place over breakfast at the residence, which is the TDP office as well, the Jaydev Gala's residence. Sir, so today is a very important day, speaker election, and what we are learning is that there will be a voice vote and no division of vote, because that is what opposition is demanding because of the less strength which they have in the Parliament. What you are picking up today, what is going to happen and what the day will transpire into?
We are meeting shortly, so we need to discuss and then take a stand on that. So as of now, there is no discussion on the subject. We are meeting now to discuss about it.
That means the breakfast meeting this morning is very important because you all are going to decide a strategy also, because there are many TDP MPs which are the first time parliamentarian as well.
Right, that's true. So for every important meeting, and that too in the Parliament, there is a need for a discussion and there is a need for preparation. So that is a meeting all about. Thank you.
And one more thing, one last question to you, sir. As we see the many new member of Parliament are there, 16 is the strength, and yesterday a whip was also issued by Harish Balayogi that all TDP MPs should be present at full strength. So the entire 16 votes today will be going in favor of Om Birla today.
No, that's a party decision. So right. So when you are a party, you're a party. Okay. So you need to come together. You need to stand together, and that's all party affairs all about.
So this TDP MP Kirti, and where he was clearly stating that the meeting will shortly begin, and right now we are at the residence of Jaydev Gala, which is also temporarily the TDP office, and this is the only place where all the TDP Member of Parliament will be arriving, because today is a very important day when the entire country is going to witness first third time after independence that there will be the election of the speaker. It is Om Birla versus K. Suresh. Opposition is going to show their strength as well. 232 is the number which opposition leaders have in the Parliament right now in Lok Sabha, and that is the reason why since yesterday back-to-back meeting is continuously taking place in opposition camp as well. Yesterday we saw that how Abhishek Banerjee clearly stated that TMC was not consulted regarding the opposition fielding a candidate for the speaker, but by late evening when there was a meeting at Mallikarjun Kharge, TMC delegation came to Kharge's residence, and after Rahul Gandhi spoke to Mamata Banerjee, finally TMC has decided to support opposition in the election of the speaker. But however, NDA is very confident because the numbers, the magic number is with NDA right now. The strength 293 is what entirely NDA has, and that is the reason why back-to-back meeting NDA is also having with the different leaders. Today the responsibility has been given to the cabinet ministers of the BJP as well to speak to the leaders of their respective state. For an example, Rajnath Singh will be meeting the MPs from the Uttar Pradesh, and Prahlad Joshi will be meeting the member of parliament from the Karnataka state. There are several member of parliament which are new in the parliament, the first time MPs, so they should know the entire process of the election, how the election process takes place inside the parliament. There's a button which needs to be pressed, and also there's a division of votes which multiple times opposition has asked for, but in this case it is going to be the voice vote which we will see in the Lok Sabha today. So the very interesting day for both the camp NDA and opposition, as the entire country will see the election of the speaker between Om Birla and K. Suresh. Yesterday we spoke exclusively to K. Suresh, and he also stated that this is a battle of ideology. Even if we lose, at least we gave a head-on battle to NDA. This is what we want to showcase to the people of the country and to the NDA as well, that we are not going to stay silent if our demands are not met, where the earlier demands was to give deputy speaker post to the opposition. So right now, back-to-back meeting early morning in national capital. We'll wait and watch.
Well,
exactly what will happen
absolutely. Hold on, Harsha. Let's also put that breaking out on our screens that the opposition has decided to not go for division and go for a voice vote instead. The reason, of course, being that the NDA had been saying that the opposition is short on numbers and does not want to showcase its less numbers during the voting process. Now, even as the opposition is resurgent, it is, of course, less in numbers when it comes to obtaining the majority mark of 272 in the Lok Sabha, and that's exactly what my colleague Harsha had been explaining all this while now. Harsha, you know who the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is going to be is anybody's guess now, with the NDA having 293 seats in when the majority mark of 272, simple majority is required to elect the Speaker in the House. But if the 4 YSRCP MPs and 1 Shiromani Akali Dal MP also vote in favor of the NDA candidate Om Birla, can we expect any more surprises?
So, Kirti, right now from the YSRCP camp, there's not going to be surprises, because YSRCP yesterday, while we spoke to the YSRCP parliamentary party leader, he clearly stated that the support of YSRCP is going to be to NDA only, and that responsibility was given to Rajnath Singh by BJP senior leadership, that Rajnath Singh should speak to YSRCP regarding the support if we need it. If YSRCP will support us, but right now without YSRCP support as well, good numbers they have pretty good numbers. Now we see that back-to-back leaders are arriving, and we see that leaders coming. Sir, you all have arrived for the breakfast. How this meeting is going to transpire into, what is TDP strategy?
Nothing. Strategy is not there. Today we are all just meeting for a breakfast. It is nothing about any
But
strategies.
this breakfast meeting was also decided yesterday in the NDA meeting, that all the camps should have the breakfast together while discussing the speaker, vote for speaker as well.
That is normal procedure which is happening. We are all participating in that. As MPs, this is the first time we are having breakfast today, so we all come here for a breakfast. That's it.
So there are many parliamentarians which are the first time MP in the TDP camp as well. So there's also going to be, to tell them how this voting process really happens, how the division take place. If there's a equipment, you have to press the button. There has to be buzzer. So at least leaders should know about it, parliamentarians.
Yes, we are trying to understand that now.
So all the 16 MPs will be here right now.
Yeah, everybody will be here. We are trying to understand how to vote and everything.
And inside Parliament, you will together reach showcasing the unity, and inside also there will be a meeting before Speaker's election.
No, there will be no meeting inside. We are all unity only. We are NDA. We are all unity. We are going to vote for our Speaker today. Yeah.
So, Kirti, the back-to-back, we are getting the responses from the TDP camp as the leaders have started arriving for the breakfast meeting. And this is a very important breakfast meeting, because it's very important to actually tell the leaders how this voting process really happens. Now we see, sir, little bit down. Sir, one thing, sir, you all are all set to vote for Om Birla.
Huh?
You all are set to vote for Om Birla. TDP full support to Om Birla.
My leader decision is final. I am TDP party.